Can I make one more point about skepticism?
Please do.
Oh, please. Yeah.
Okay, this whole climate change denial, like science is based on denial. The whole point of science is being skeptical.
Skeptical.
It's never
Yes.
a doctrine. That's the whole point of science. There's a half-life of information.
Oh, my God,
Like when you
yes.
go to medical school, they say half of what we teach you will be different in 5 years. You're supposed to know that. So the constant attacking of an idea is what makes science wonderful.
Yes.
When you say you can't ever criticize this science, you have now invented a religion with no God, and it's run by lesbians with blue hair.
Was science ever right the first time? Or did something happen and then they went, yeah, I'm going to look at that and maybe use something else to figure it out. And then it's like, oh, look, we are not the center of the...
Every single thing has been disproved, but it's
Right.
still
Every single thing has been disproved over time.
I love science so much that I'm defending it against these psychos. Do not deny. It's like, that's what science is.
Science.
Denial.
Yeah.
But then you get some really kooky people. My favorite of all time, and I know this has to be a work. It's got to be a goof. I tweeted earlier, the greatest trolls ever are the flat earthers.
Oh, yeah,
They
hilarious.
believe the earth is flat. Yeah. I tweeted something earlier. It's another graphic. They put up these graphics, and it's like, oh, really? So you still believe the earth is a sphere? And they're ridiculous. They make no sense. They are so unscientific. And then when you question them, you're like, well, no, that the gravity keeps that. And they're like, oh, gravity. Yeah. That's the whole thing. Yeah. You can't just go, oh, gravity, and make me go, yeah, you're right. Gravity.
Who brought the book queer?
Yeah. Here it is. If Earth was a globe, water flows to its lowest point.
So stupid.
So they're assuming that the bottom of the Earth is the lowest point. Because, again, it says, if gravity is so strong enough to stop a small stream from flowing to its lowest point, then what is stopping the oceans north of the equator from emptying into the oceans south of the equator? This is what the Earth would look like if we lived on a globe. Gravity is a pseudoscience, a theory that can't be proven. And here is Earth, which would be awesome.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
It would be sick.
Where is a planet like that?
Pool.
I want a planet like that.
Yeah, it would probably
It's like
be
an eyeball.
I was just going to say
that dude put in his ass.
Yeah.
But see, like when idiots don't understand science, I don't care. Like I'm always like, yeah, idiot.
so funny,
But
yeah.
When a scientist doesn't understand science. Like when Bill Nye is
deGrasse
like,
Tyson.
don't ever question me. I'm like, but you should know better, Bill Nye.
Bill Nye is a tool.